Hello guys, good morning. I hope you guys slept well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm just so excited to get into this package that I got. So this is my raw reaction. I'm going to see how well I'm going to look at the atomizer, see how well it smells and stuff like that. So stay tuned guys as I get into the unboxing. Alright, so let's get right into it. And I have coffee here and it came very fast. Look at that. So I ordered, the thing is, when you order something of 30,000 and above, you get a gift set as a gift, and this is it right here. Oh my god. The box smells so nice. You know what, I'll open this last. So the name of the brand is Belliga. Okay, Belliga. I guess they gave me testers. What is it? What's this? Hey Elizabeth. They have my name on there. Hey Elizabeth. K-Flare Kulan. I don't know how to explain that in English, but I have some testers. Oh, this is so thoughtful of them. They did give me this. Great, amazing. This is really thoughtful of them. Thank you, Belliga. Thank you. So how many testers extra perfumes did they give to me? They gave me this one, vanilla powder. They gave me Blue Moon Ginger Dash. They gave me this is the one I ordered. This vanilla powder is what I ordered. Yeah, because I ordered it in 3 ml. This is what? Sabon Kokulu Parfum. Soap? Really? Boys Imperial. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is a perfume as well, but I guess this came as like an extra because this is Blue Moon Ginger Dash. So yeah, I'll just put those aside. So I know you guys remember that I said I sell perfume oil. So actually some of the perfumes that I got, I just got an idea of them, and there's some that I've not actually smelled as well, but I was very curious as to what it smells like. So this is like their 50 ml bottle. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay, Belliga. I really love their packaging. Like, look at this. Like, this is so nice to show that it hasn't been opened. So this is Belliga Delina. This one is N19. This one is Bianco Latte N329. This is Burberry Her Elixr in W195. This is Meliora in N334. This is Belliga Girl of Now, Elixr Girl of Now, W80, and this is Tobacolor by Christian Dior, if I'm not mistaken, N339. And then there is the 2 vanilla powder as well. Really small. Oh my god. Okay, so which one should I get into first? Let me open the Tobacolor first. Packaging, guys. The bottle is really nice. Let's see what it sprays like. Okay. Did you see this spray, guys? Oh my god, it smells beautiful. Oh wow. Look at this. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my god. Show me a better atomizer. What is this? Oh my god, this smells so good. I mean, for a copy, wow, this smells amazing. Okay, let's do Elixr Girl of Now. For this one, I have the oil, so I'm expecting, I have high hopes for this one as to what I feel like it should smell like. And by the way guys, I need to go take a shower because I have to be at a program. Same bottle, really petite. I feel like this can even like go in your bag, you know, easy. So let's I'm sure they're gonna have the same atomizer spray and all that. So if you spray like this, you get a little, but when you press down, you get accurate. Give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute. The accuracy is there. This smells exactly like the oil that I have. Like, the powdery, it's sweet, it's, oh my god, this smells so fresh. If you want to smell fresh, sweet, girly. This is it. Now let's get to the next one, Meliora. I don't know what this smells like, in all honesty. Like I said, most of them were like bland. Oh God, these are twice. I'm getting, you just got out of the shower, right? I can smell like some berry, I don't know if I'm getting it right, but I can smell like some berry somewhere. This is very fresh. Oh my God, oh God. But this is very, very fresh. It's very subtle, like very, very subtle. I wonder how it would like the longevity. I wonder how the longevity would be on skin and on your clothes and stuff. This smells so fresh, like it's very subtle. It's like, I feel like you can layer this with probably this Tobacolor, because this Tobacolor is strong, right? So I feel like probably these two would layer well. And this is me just blindly layering in my head, you know, based on what I've smelt. I think they're gonna layer well, you know, and stuff. This is her Elixr. I know what this one smells like. I know what the actual perfume smells like. So I'm so curious as to what this smells like. Oh, I mean, it's pretty close. Oh, it's very, very close to the original. I mean, the original, once you spray it like this, then I'm sure like the dry down, you know, I'm sure it would like even get better as it dries down. But it's a pretty good one. It's not as in the original one, you get more of the sweetness, right? You get more of the sweetness. It's chocolate. You get more of the strawberry. You get more of all of that. But here it's like very muted. Like it's there, but I feel like you probably have to spray a lot for these ones. But it smells. Oh, you see, as it's drying down, you're getting way more. So I feel like these, once they dry down, you get more projection on them. This Bianco Latte, I also have an oil of it. Okay. And the oil smells amazing. You see the name Bianco Latte? You get latte, you get coffee, you get vanilla, you get like, it's so like, it's not overly sweet, but it's sweet, okay? Like, it's just beautiful. Okay, this is my last test strip. Oh. Okay. What is with me? I'm putting this thing on my lip. Wait, I don't know. Did I smell? Funny thing is, I feel like my oil is even stronger than this. So I feel like when I use my oil and I layer it with this, I feel like that would go really well. Yeah. Clip that. So the last spot, I mean, it's not the last. I still have like these little ones here. This baby one. This is Delina. I have Delina as well. I have the perfume, the oil of Delina, PDM Delina. So let's see. Sorry, I'm using a tissue this time around, but baby, let's have it. Oh my God, this is very, very, very accurate. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Is this oud I'm smelling? Like a little bit of. Oh my God, this smells so good. Oh, this smells so good. This also pairs well with my oil. Oh my God, so exciting. I need to be quick. I need to be out of this house in a bit. Oh my God. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, let's get to these little ones. This is vanilla powder. I have two of the vanilla powder, so I'm just going to try one. Come on, baby. It's so tiny. Let me try it on my finger. I hope I don't have perfume on it. You know what? Let me use my tissue. Okay. Yeah, the vanilla is vanilla ring. Oh, this is so good. I feel like the alcohol in this might just be that bit much, but we can get it away with that. It's okay. I feel like the perfume, the alcohol here, because when you smell, it's like you're almost getting high. Okay, quick. Let's do it. Okay, ginger dash. The other one was also vanilla dash. Vanilla, what was it? Vanilla powder. This is ginger dash. Okay. Ginger dash. There is ginger. There is ginger. This is spicy. Mommy, come and smell these perfumes. Come. This is very gingery. Come. I'm in the sitting room. I'm recording. Oh, this is very gingery. Smell this one. This is ginger dash perfume. That's ginger dash. Take, smell coffee. Tell me which one is your favorite. This is vanilla powder. Smell like really? You can smell wood there? Oh wow, okay. If I now give you the one that actually has wood, smell coffee again so you can clear your airways. Wait, which one have you smelled now? Let me see. This is the second one. Yeah, this is vanilla. That one can be there. Have you smelled the coffee? This is Delina. Do you recognize that from one of my oils? I will show you the oil after this video so you see. So that's Delina. Okay. And smell her perfume. Have you smelled the coffee? Smell this one. Oh, guys, the dry down is perfect. Yeah, I love this. You love that one, Abby? That one is very sweet and girly. My mom loves this Burberry hair elixir. Okay. Now smell Bianco latte. Let's see. Oh, guys. Okay, I was totally thrown off by the first initial spray and smell. It smells amazing once it dries down. Like by American. Yeah, this is very sweet. Oh, it smells like vanilla ice cream with a little bit with a dash of coffee. You know. Okay. Delina, Eliga, I see you. This is Tobacolor. No comments, guys. That one is giving what? What's it giving? It's giving Arabian. It's giving oud. It's giving expensive. It's giving don't talk to me. Come to Dubai, baby. And this is Elixr girl. Now have you smelled the coffee again? Smell this side. No, the other side. Yeah. I have this one's oil too. And this is the last one, Meliora. You love that one? Really? My mom also loves this Meliora. I like it as well. Is it my favorite? No. I think the Elixr girl now is my favorite. Yeah. They gave me two. This one, I don't know if it's a perfume. And they gave me a free gift too. No, it's a souvenir. I think there's a perfume in there, but it's like there's now open it now. This one they said it's a sabun. It smells like soap. Yeah, it said it's like yeah, this is really giving soap. It's giving oh wow, that was strong. Wow. Oh, it's really god. If you combine it with other perfumes. Yeah, it's very soapy and powdery at the same time. It smells like baby powder. Yeah. Okay, let's do the next. Let's do the free gift. I'm still in focus, right? Okay, let's do this. ASMR, guys. I like this other one. This Bios Imperial. It's very subtle, so. I feel like I should have taken a picture of all these things before unboxing, but I'll try my best to keep it intact anyway. Oh, made in Izmir. There's a bag in there, guys. Oh, this is so cute. Souvenir this timer. İzmir'in kızı Denizli kız, sokakları hem kız hem deniz kokar. İzmir's girl, sea, woman sea, Denizli kız, the sea's daughter, sokakları hem kız. The streets are filled with girls, I guess, hem deniz kokar, and they always smell like the sea. So I'm guessing that in this package it smells like the sea, and these are like the list of what are in here. There's a bronzer oil. I don't think I need bronzer oil, so I'll probably give that away. There is jojoba oil. Oh, a glittery body oil. There is body lotion. There is the salty beach. The notes are in Turkish. There is peeling. There's peeling something here, and then there is body oil as well. In the perfume, there's lemon, there's orange, there's peach, there's sea salt, müge çiçeği. I don't know what that is. Karabiber is I think black pepper. Beyaz çiçekler, white flowers. Cedar Arger. I don't know what that is. Indistinct, is it? Coconut, musk, patchouli. Oh, this smells like it's gonna smell amazing. So let's get into the packaging, guys. And this free gift that came with it. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. So this is the perfume, okay, in the box that it came with. Salty Beach. This is moisturizing dry oil, okay, and this is body scrub in oil, okay, and this was free. Zero. I did not pay anything for this. So guys, if you want to get one of this, just buy something up to 3,000 liras and you get this free. Yes, you heard me, free of charge. 0,000 Turkish liras, free. And this is the body care oil. This is moisturizing pearly oil. I can already see from the inside that it's really glittery. I don't know if you guys can like see from there. And this is the moisturizing body lotion as well, Salty Beach. So, oh my god, I feel like spraying this perfume. Let me see. Oh, it's so tiny. I mean, it's just like a tester. Oh, I think, did it pour? Did it pour? Oh, I think it poured and then it's affecting the glue. Let me see, is it gonna glue down? Anyways, I think, oh my god, if this is what the perfume smells like, it smells amazing. Oh, stay now, stay please. Let's see. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells very I don't know, it smells familiar.
Not like before.
Yeah, I don't know, but it smells really familiar. Like I have used something like this before. Oh my god, this is so nice. Guys, I have to end this video here because I have to go take a shower and stuff. So I would keep you guys updated, okay? Thank you so much for staying till this time. Please do well to like, share, subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button, okay? Please drop a comment if you would want to get something like this, and I'll put the link in the description box, below. So thank you once again for staying tuned till I see you next time in my video. Bye for now. Toodaloo.